Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a really simple recipe. I'm just gonna show you how I make sunny side up eggs. It's another 360 video, but this time we're gonna shorten it, not another 17 minutes. This one I hope to get in below 2. So let's get started. What we need is one large egg. Nice and easy. Crack it open. Now this is really important. You need to make sure you don't get any shells in there and you don't break the yolk. Okay? That's simple. And just to spice it up, we're gonna put it on top of some homemade raisin toast. So that sweet and salty is gonna be really good. Alright, let's get started. So, like I mentioned before, always important to have the right tools. Great non-stick pan for the eggs, and for the toast is this camping looking toaster. It looks funny, but makes awesome toast. Okay? Now, this is the secret. For sunny side up eggs, you're gonna put just enough oil. Well, actually, quite a bit of oil. That it's almost swimming on top. You can see that? Have a look. Alright, because when I make omelets and stuff, I put just a little bit oil. Then, so for the sunny side up, I put like a bit more. Tongs, because I don't want to burn my hands. I just want to brown it just a little bit. Check that out. Beauty. Okay. Alright, the toast is done and the pan is hot, so let's start on the eggs. You want to very gently pour it into the pan. Don't want to crack that yolk. Alright. Oil's a little too hot. Take it off. Lower the flame. Okay, so the beauty is if it's too hot, you can always just take it off. Don't leave it there. What I like to do is with a spatula, I don't know if you can see this, is put a little bit of the oil on top. So cook a little bit of the egg white on top too. So you can see, nice and bubbly. Look at that. Beauty. You can see, great non-stick pan, just floating on top. That looks about right. Now this is, for me, is the hardest part. Just transferring the egg onto the plate. So you gotta be careful. Alright. Voila! Oh my god, I did it. Not bad. Alright, that's it. Second egg is done. Got a little bit of oil there, burnt it, but still looks good. Comes the hard part, plating again. Let some of that oil drip off. I think we did alright. There you go. Oh. Voila! Okay. See? That's it. Quick and easy. That's all we needed to do. And then season with some salt. Just sprinkle of salt. Did I say salt? That was pepper. And now some salt. Up. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed.